Gaslighting is a manipulative tactic often used to make individuals doubt their own perception of reality. In this video, you'll learn how gaslighting works, exploring its techniques and the psychological impact it can have on victims. By understanding these tactics, you can better recognize and protect yourself from such manipulative behavior. I will show you a dialogue between Mark and Jenna, while Jenna manipulating Mark using gaslighting method.
Hey Jenna, I wanted to talk to you about something that's been bothering me.
Sure, Mark. What's on your mind?
Lately, it feels like whenever we discuss plans or decisions, you dismiss my ideas and make me feel like they're stupid.
Dismiss your ideas? That doesn't sound like me at all, Mark. Are you sure you're not just being overly sensitive?
I don't think so. Like yesterday, when I suggested we go to that new restaurant, you rolled your eyes and said it was a terrible idea.
Oh, come on. I don't remember that at all. You must be mixing things up. Besides, I always value your suggestions.
No, I'm pretty sure it happened. You even said you'd rather stay home than go there.
Mark, you know how your memory can be sometimes. You've misremembered things before. Maybe you're just stressed and imagining things.
I guess it's possible, but it felt real to me.
Trust me, Mark. I would never do something like that. If I didn't want to go to that restaurant, I would have just said it nicely. Maybe you're just feeling insecure lately.
I don't know. I feel like I can't trust my own thoughts sometimes.
That's because you overthink everything. Maybe you should try to relax more. You know I always support you and your ideas.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe I'm just overreacting.
Exactly. You worry too much. Let's not stress about it. I love you, and I always want the best for us.
Now let's see. In the dialogue, Jenna uses gaslighting, a form of manipulation where one person makes the other doubt their own reality, memory, or perceptions. Here's how Jenna manipulates Mark. 1. Denial of events. Jenna denies the occurrence of dismissive behavior. That doesn't sound like me at all, making Mark question his memory. 2. Shifting blame. She suggests Mark is being overly sensitive and mixing things up, placing the responsibility for the confusion on him. 3. Undermining confidence. Jenna implies that Mark's memory is unreliable and that he's overthinking things, which makes him doubt his perceptions. 4. Feigning concern. By pretending to care about his well-being, I just want you to be happy. She masks her manipulation as concern, which can further confuse the victim. Warning against using manipulation. Manipulating someone, especially through gaslighting, is harmful and unethical. It erodes trust, damages self-esteem, and can lead to significant emotional and psychological harm. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and open communication. If you find yourself tempted to manipulate someone, consider seeking help from a therapist or counselor to address underlying issues and develop healthier ways of interacting. Remember, manipulation may provide short-term control, but ultimately destroys relationships and causes long-lasting damage to both parties involved.